Raw materials are the backbone of manufacturing businesses, and their efficient management is crucial for success. One aspect of managing raw materials is ensuring that they are properly labeled. AGen Raw Material Label Printing and Recording Module is the user-friendly solution for your warehouse. Raw material labeling is the process of creating and attaching labels to raw materials to identify them and provide valuable information such as the item name, lot number, expiry date, and other relevant details. This process is essential for tracking inventory, ensuring product quality, and complying with regulatory requirements. The following are the steps involved in the raw material label printing process. Label design. The first step in the raw material label printing process is designing the label. The label should contain all the necessary information required by the company's policies and regulatory requirements. AGen Architect will help you to handle this and give you worry-free solutions. AGen provides you with auto serial number or batch numbering features. Label printing. Once the label design is complete, the labels are printed using a label printer or portable label printer. The printer will be connected to your mobile device, so you have the flexibility of moving when you do label printing. Label inspection. After the labels are printed, they are inspected for accuracy and quality. The labels should be legible, contain accurate information, and be properly aligned and attached to the raw material containers. Label application. The last step in the raw material label printing process is applying the labels to the raw material containers. The labels should be attached securely and in a visible and easy-to-scan location.